A very warm welcome to all my dear students to the class of mathematics. Today we will discuss topic estimation for class 5. So let's start with this session. Now estimating the sum and the difference. Now rounding off rules. So what are the rules for the rounding off means for estimation? When we round off a given number to the required place, for example tens, 100, 1000, whatever the place, we consider the next number to the right. If this number is, means the number to the right of that number is 5 or more than 5. The number is required at the required place, it is increased by 1. If that number is 5 or 5, then we add plus 1. And all the numbers at the right side became 0 if the number at the right side is less than 5. Now if it is 5 or more than 5, then we add plus 1. And if it is less than 5, the number at the required place remain the same. And all the number at the right side became 0 and all the numbers at the left side remain the same. These are the rules for rounding off and these are applicables for all the places. Tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, whatever the places, these rules are applicable for all the places. Now rounding off to the nearest tens. So now we are rounding off a number by the number line. Rounding off to the nearest 10. Example, round off 173 to the nearest 10. Now here the number is 173 and we have to round off this number at tens place. So first of all, we look at the number at tens place. At tens place, the number is 7. Now we have drawn a number line from 170 to 180. Where is 173? 173 is here in the circle. Now if we look at this number line, 170 to 174 will be round off to 170 and 175 to 180 will be round off to 180. Now if we look at 173, it is in between 170 and 174. So this number will be round off to 170. The answer of this number is 170. So therefore we will write this 173 will be round off to 170 at tens. Now another method is, now we look at the number at nearest tens place. Here it is 7. Now we look at the number to the right of 7. It is 3. 3 is less than 5. So the number is remain same. 7 will remain 7. So the answer will be same, 170. So that's all for this session. Hope you all understand the concept. Thank you.